Look, kids, we are almost there. Our new neighborhood.
It looks beautiful and quiet. Are you excited?
No, I am a little sad. I miss my old friends. What if the new kids don't like me?
I am scared. I don't know anyone.
It is completely normal to feel nervous, Henry and Rose.
Humans, always worrying about what others think.
Making new friends takes time, but it starts with a simple hello. We just need to introduce ourselves first. People are friendly.
But what should I say?
Just tell them your name, your age, and what you like to do.
Can I say I like drawing?
Of course, sweetie. That is a great start.
All right, team. Welcome to our new home.
Let's start moving these boxes to the front door.
This box is really heavy, Dad.
Be careful, Henry. Let me help you with that.
I can carry my toys. Look at me.
Good job, Rose. You are very helpful today.
I smell fresh grass. And maybe fish.
Don't be silly. Now, where is my sunny spot?
Okay, put it down slowly. Good boy.
Dad, someone is coming.
Don't panic, kids. Remember what we talked about in the car.
Hello there. Do you need a hand with those boxes?
Hi. Thank you for asking, but we can manage. My name is William.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, William. I am David Miller.
I live right next door in the blue house.
Hello, David. I am Eileen, William's wife. It is a pleasure to meet you.
We are very happy to have you here. Welcome to the community.
Thank you, David. We are very excited to live here. And who are these little helpers?
So, did you move here for work, William? Yes, my new company is very close to here. I am an engineer. I design computer software.
And what about you, Eileen? Do you work in the city?
Actually, no. I work from home. I am a freelancer. I draw pictures for children's books. I just need my computer and colors.
That is wonderful. You can enjoy our quiet neighborhood all day. Oh, is that a tennis racket? Yes. In my free time, I really enjoy playing tennis.
And I love baking. I make great chocolate cookies. I will bring some to your house.
That is so sweet of you. My wife will love that.
Did someone say cookies? I am listening.
This is my son. He is the oldest child.
Go ahead, honey. Say hello to Mr. Miller.
Hello. My name is Henry.
Hi, Henry. How old are you?
I am 8 years old.
8! That is a great age. Are you going to school here?
Yes. I am in the 2nd grade.
What kind of things do you like to do, Henry?
I am a bit shy, but I am very friendly. I really like reading comic books and playing video games.
My nephew loves video games too. Maybe you can play together.
Really? That sounds fun!
And this is my little daughter.
Hi, I am Rose. I am 5. And this is my bear. His name is Teddy.
Hello, Rose. Hello, Teddy. You are very cute.
Rose is very outgoing and full of energy.
I like drawing pictures. I draw very fast.
Do you? Maybe you can draw a picture of my house one day.
Yes, I will draw a
She is also a very caring sister. She always helps Henry.
Helps him make a mess, you mean?
You have two wonderful children, William.
Thank you. We are very proud of them.
Oh, who is this? He is very soft.
That is Popcorn. He is our pet cat.
He is an orange cat, and he is quite chubby.
Popcorn is very lazy. His favorite hobby is sleeping.
And he is always hungry. He loves eating. Meow! Do you have any treats in your pocket, sir?
I see. He is very friendly. Do you have other pets?
Yes. Look up there. That is Dr. Purr.
He is a white cat. He wears small glasses.
He is very smart and independent. He is the quiet one.
I just prefer to observe humans from a distance. A very complete family indeed. 2 kids and 2 cats. It's interesting how different your 2 kids are. Yes, they are completely different. Henry is calm and careful. He likes quiet activities.
But Rose is loud and active. She never stops moving. Sometimes they argue, but they love each other.
That is the beauty of a family. Everyone is unique. Exactly. Just like our cats. One is active for food,
And the other is too proud to ask for it.
I have a daughter, but she lives in another city now.
Oh, I see. Does she visit you often?
Yes, she comes back every holiday.
Thanks for the chat, David. This is a great place. It is. And the school bus stops right at that corner. It comes around 7:30 every morning. Very convenient.
That is perfect. We usually wake up early at 7 a.m.
I will walk the kids to the bus stop before I go to work.
The evenings are very quiet here, too.
That is good. I usually make dinner for us at 6:30 p.m.
We have a nice park nearby for the weekends. You should check it out.
On Sundays, we love going to the park together.
We definitely will. Thank you for the tip.
Yes, that sounds perfect for the kids.
And I sleep all day on Sundays. It's a busy life.
Mom was right. Mr. Miller is really nice.
I like him. He said I am cute.
I was so nervous to introduce myself, but it was easy. I just told him my name and what I like.
And he wants me to draw his house.
How are my brave kids doing?
We are doing great, Dad. I am not sad anymore.
I am so proud of you both for speaking up today.
You introduced yourselves perfectly.
It's nice to meet new people. I want to meet more neighbors.
We will meet everyone soon. Don't worry.
Oh dear. One neighbor was enough social action for me.
Well, I will let you get back to unpacking. If you need anything, tools, directions, or just a chat, come over. Thank you. Thank you so much, David. We really appreciate it.
We will definitely invite you and your wife over soon.
Have a great day, new neighbors!
Goodbye, David!
See you later! Bye, Mr. Miller!
Wait, he is leaving? Without giving me food? See? This is going to be a wonderful place to live.
Yes, it is. We are going to be very happy here.
Today was a big day. We moved to a new house.
And we met our new neighbor. We introduced our family.
I was very nervous at first. I didn't know what to say.
But you did it a great job, Henry. Just be friendly.
Remember, you don't need to be perfect when speaking English.
Just take a deep breath and say hello.
Now it is your turn.
Do you have any pets? Are they lazy like popcorn?
Tell us about your pets in the comments below.
If you liked our story, please give this video a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Meow!
Subscribe to Dr. Purr
And popcorn
for more stories. See you next time. Bye!